Hi guys, this is Balaji back again, and in this video just we are going to see how to send customized emails in under 3 minutes. So let's get started right away. So a lot of people just collect the emails and they want to attract the customers or their clients or any people. If you are having events or any kind of stuff, you generally tend to send out emails by collecting emails. For collecting emails, already I have made a video to how to collect email of anyone from LinkedIn, so you can check it out in the description below. So when sending customized emails, it's very much important to have good email templates and keep it ready for yourself. So I have found this as the best free is customized email sender. So this is available at Chrome Store, links in the description. So also when you can check out this page where you can read the stuff, I'll put it in the description below as well. So you can go to mail of the first step, and you can just click on compose. You can open the compose, you can put anything you want, and you can go to this one where which is over here. You can click this one, insert template. So one of the most important thing this has is that you can also import templates from Mailchimp is very much customizable stuff. Like you can create all of this and you can create like fantastic stuffs. If you know, just check Mailchimp templates example. And I'm running out of time, but I want to show you guys. See, you can create a very good email template, something like this, and Mailchimp is very powerful. So you can go into Mailchimp, customize, create a customized design, and you can just import it directly from it. Or these people also have around 500 something, I guess, yeah, 400 templates which you can directly select from over here. And also they have given different categories you can choose from. And if it is education, you can choose this one or this one, or if I choose this one, it just comes over here. And you can just customize more and change these things as you want. Also you can add links and stuff. Also the most important thing is like you can edit this in HTML as well. If you are a web developer or if you know a bit of HTML, you can click over here and you get a HTML page where you can code and you can just change things. And yeah, so you can change things like anything over here. If I change this red, something is going to happen somewhere. I don't have time, so I have to make it fast, so you can check this out. And at the same time, if you want it directly from Mailchimp, you can also do that. I have created a sample template earlier, so I you can just go to Mailchimp, and if you create there on Mailchimp, you will be it will be visible over here, right? So you can just click this thing, LMS, and I have actually created this template for my own purpose. So I can just change things over here and link these things over here. You can just edit this and you can change the link as well. So you can do a lot of things. This customized email is a very much important tool for sales marketing. As an entrepreneur or as a startup, you just send out a lot of mails, and if the mails are eye catchy and if they look good for people, then only people are going to view it and have fun with it. And also you can deliver in the right way and people would stay on the page and read it till the end. That's what I wanted to say. Sending customized emails is one of the greatest tip that you can follow to get clients, catch attention of clients. uh, that's really great. You'd already know that sending customized emails are very important, and I just showed you how to make it in a very easy way, how to get through it and do it for completely free. Both from Mailchimp you can import it, or they have their pre-built templates that you can, or you can open it in HTML and change the colors, padding, or anything that you like, and you can just you are good to go. And this is all, guys. I wanted to say, and I definitely think you would have learned something out of this. And if you did like, just like, and just comment or share, because these are the tips. Just I use daily, and I just want to share with you guys so that everyone just learn it in a better way and perform better, right? So if you have any suggestions on anything, you can just drop me below. And this is all, guys, for this video. And start emailing and start getting good clients, and all the best for you. Balaji signing off.